How to reset Hume band and how to charge Hume band, complete beginner's guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Hume band, how to charge it correctly, and what to do if you're having connection or charging problems. Whether you've just unboxed your Hume band or you're troubleshooting an issue, this complete beginner's guide has you covered. Let's start with charging the Hume band. Take the charging dock that came with your Hume band and connect it to a USB power source using the supplied USB-C cable. Place the band securely into the charging dock, making sure it clicks into place and the charging contacts align properly. When the band is charging correctly, the LED indicator will cycle through red, blue, and green. Once the battery reaches 100%, the light turns solid green, indicating that charging is complete. A full charge typically takes around 30 minutes, while a quick 10-minute charge provides roughly 30 to 40% battery life. For the best battery performance, use the original charging cable and avoid exposing the band to extreme temperatures while charging. Now let's learn how to reset the Hume band. If your band isn't syncing properly, press and hold the side button for about 10 seconds until the device restarts. Wait for it to power back on, then try reconnecting it through the Hume Health app. This simple restart resolves many common connectivity issues. If you're still having trouble pairing the band, open the Hume Health app, go to the Me page, open Paired Devices, tap the broken chain icon or Forget Device. And then pair the band again by pressing and holding the side button until it enters pairing mode. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and keep the band close to your phone during the pairing process. If you've performed a factory reset through the Hume app, remember that the band must be placed back on the charger before it will power on again. This is an important step that many new users overlook. If your band isn't charging, first check that it's seated correctly in the charging dock. Then verify that the charging cable and power source are working. If the LED lights don't appear, try reconnecting the charger and ensure the band is firmly attached. If the problem continues, contact Hume Health support for further assistance. Here's a pro tip: charge your Hume band before the battery becomes completely empty. Keeping the battery above about 20% and syncing the band with the Hume app at least once a day helps maintain reliable performance and extends battery life. And that's everything you need to know about resetting and charging your Hume band. Following these simple steps will help keep your device connected, fully charged, and ready to track your daily health and fitness data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Hume band tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next.